Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USDC on Coinbase. Open the Coinbase app, verify your identity, and link a bank account or card to fund purchases. Choose USDC from the assets list, enter the dollar amount or token quantity, review fees and payment method, then tap Buy to confirm. Use two-factor authentication and start with a small test purchase to ensure everything works smoothly. In this video, I will explain how to buy USDC on Coinbase. Decide whether you prefer speed or lower fees when choosing a funding method. Bank transfers cost less but take longer, while debit card buys are instant with higher fees. For large purchases, consider a wire transfer and confirm any limits or verification steps first. Always review the final fee and funding source before confirming your USDC purchase to avoid surprises. In this video, I will explain how to buy USDC on Coinbase. Check the total cost, including spreads and any network fees, before completing the purchase. Use security features like two-factor authentication and consider transferring sizable holdings to a hardware wallet. If you plan recurring buys, set up dollar cost averaging or price alerts to manage timing. Keep records of transactions for tax or accounting needs and protect your recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.